show how to make money with AI. Complete YouTube script, Notro AI productivity lab hook to VR hook. First 30 seconds. Most people think making money with AI means you need to be a programmer or have a massive audience. They're dead wrong. Last year, I made my first $3,000 in a single week using AI tools I learned in 48 hours. And I'm not a coder, I'm a guy who managed supermarket branches. If I can do it, literally anyone watching this can too. The question isn't whether you can make money with AI anymore. It's which method are you going to start with? Intro. Channel intro, 15 seconds. Hey, I'm your host from AI Productivity Lab. Every week we break down real AI strategies that actually work for business owners, managers, and professionals just like you. We don't do theory here. Everything we cover, I've tested in actual business operations. If you're ready to turn AI skills into real income, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Main content. Core value numbered points. Here's the thing about making money with AI in 2024. There are legitimately 5 proven pathways and they all require different skill levels. The beautiful part? You don't need to pick just one. I am currently running 3 of these simultaneously and they stack nicely together. Method 1. Freelance AI services on Fiverr and Upwork. Let's start with the most accessible path. Clients are literally begging for people who can write better prompts, create AI-generated content, design with Midjourney, and edit videos with AI tools. When I first listed AI content optimization as a service on Fiverr, I got my first client within 6 hours. I wasn't an expert, I was just faster and better informed than 99% of other freelancers. Here's what actually works. Create one specific service. Don't say AI expert. Say I create SEO optimized blog posts using ChatGPT and fact checking, or I generate product photography alternatives using Midjourney. Specificity converts. Charge $50 to $150 per project when you're starting. Scale to 500 plus as you get testimonials. The kicker? Most projects take 2 to 3 hours. That's $25 to $75 per hour, which beats most entry-level jobs. Some creators I've mentored are now doing $5,000 a month with just 10-15 clients. But here's where most people mess up. They stop at one service. Let me show you how to layer these income streams. Method 2. Create and sell AI-generated digital products. This one's personal to me because it's what bankrolled my transition out of full-time management. I created Notion templates, Canva templates, and ChatGPT prompt libraries. I sold them on GUMROAD and my own website. The math is beautiful. Create once, sell infinitely. I made a 50-page restaurant operations AI prompt library using ChatGPT and Notion in about 8 hours. Sold it for $29 first month. 45 copies sold, that's $305 in passive income for 8 hours of work. The templates that sell best solve actual business problems. They're not generic. AI productivity template won't sell. AI competitor analysis template for e-commerce brands absolutely will. You can create Notion templates, Canva designs, ChatGPT prompt collections, Google Sheets templates with AI formulas, or email sequence templates. Sell them on Gumroad, Sendowl, or your own Shopify store. Prices range from $9 to $19 depending on complexity. The trap here? Building something nobody wants before you spend 10 hours building. Validate with 20 people in your niche. Ask them, would you pay $49 for a template that solves X? Listen to the real answer, not the polite one. Method 3, AI consulting for small businesses. This is where my supermarket background became gold. I started offering AI operations audits to other retail and restaurant owners. 3-hour consultation, 497. I now have 5 recurring consulting clients on monthly retainers at $1,000 each. Small business owners have money, they don't have time to learn AI. They need someone to walk in, show them where ChatGPT, Zapier, and Claude can save them 10 plus hours per week and implement it. That's a consulting service with thousands. Your entry price, 197 to 497 for a 3-hour initial consultation where you audit their operations and give them a 30-day AI implementation roadmap. From there, 30% of clients will want ongoing support at $500 to $2,000 monthly. The secret sauce, focus on one industry. I focused on retail and food service because I understood their pain points in my bones. You pick your niche, become the AI expert for that niche, and watch pricing power increase. Method 4, build AI tools or integrate no-code automations. Okay, this one requires a bit more technical thinking, but you don't need to code. Tools like Zapier, Make, and N8N let you build AI workflows that clients will literally pay monthly subscriptions for. Example from my world, I built a workflow that pulls data from a store's inventory system, analyzes it with ChatGPT, and generates a buying recommendation. I charge the client $200 monthly to maintain and optimize it. Took me 12 hours to build initially, pure recurring revenue. You can build lead qualification automations, customer service chatbots using OpenAI API, email marketing systems powered by AI, or data processing workflows. Charge $99 to $999 monthly depending on complexity. This path takes more learning, but the ROI is insane. One client paying $500 monthly versus one Fiverr client paying $50 per project. Which sounds better? Method 5. Create AI education content, YouTube courses, membership, full transparency. You're watching this one happen right now. I started AI Productivity Lab 5 months ago, and it's generating income through brand partnerships, affiliate commissions, and soon a paid course on AI for retail operations. This is the slowest path to money, but the ceiling is unlimited. A successful AI course can generate $50,000 to $500,000 per year. YouTube can generate $1,000 to $10,000 plus monthly once you hit monetization. The entry point, start with what you know. You don't need 100,000 subscribers. You need 1,000 true fans who trust your advice enough to buy from you. How these stack together. Here's why I'm making more now than I was managing supermarket branches. I'm running all 5 simultaneously. 2 freelance clients on Upwork, $200 monthly. 3 digital product sales, $600 monthly recurring. 1 consulting retainer, $1,000 monthly. 2 automated workflows, $300 monthly. YouTube and course pre-sales, $800 monthly. That's $3,900 monthly from AI services. Total time investment, about 30 hours per week, which is less than my old job, and I control the scaling. But here's what matters. I didn't start with all 5. I started with freelancing, validated that I could deliver value, then added consulting, then built tools, then started teaching. Each one funded the next. Darshom recap. Could be quick summary. Let me lock this down for you. You have 5 paths to AI income: freelance services, digital products, consulting, automated tools, and education content. Each one is viable on its own. Together, they create resilient, scalable income that doesn't depend on an algorithm or a boss. The barrier isn't knowledge, it's action. Touch everything I've shared. You can start this week. Seriously, open Fiverr right now. Write a description for one AI service. That's the hardest part. Just do these CTA. Subscribe, like, comment, prompt. Here's what I want you to do right now. Drop a comment telling me which method you're going to test first. Are you going freelance, building a product? I read every comment and I genuinely want to know. Smash that like button if you're tired of people gatekeeping AI, like it's some exclusive club. Subscribe, because next week we're breaking down exactly how to price AI services so you don't undersell yourself. I'm going to show you the pricing psychology that lets you charge 3x more for the same service. See you in the next one.